among the global issues nowadays, the current outbreak of COVID-19 coronavirus infection among humans in Wuhan and its spreading around the globe is heavily impacting on the global health and mental health. With that being said, every citizen on the earth must raise their awareness and take action to push back against the darkness of COVID 19. So, first of all, where does the COVID 19 originate from? As a specific family of viruses, coronavirus or COVID 19, which is said to have first originated in China's Wuhan, was declared a pandemic on March 11 by WHO. The infection may have started from an animal source but spreads through human to human contact. As per WHO, the virus that causes COVID 19 and the one that has caused the outbreak of SARS in 2003 are related to each other genetically, but the diseases they cause are quite different. So, what are the symptoms and how does the virus spread? The COVID 19 virus spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose when an infected person coughs or sneezes, as per WHO, which is why it's extremely important to practice respiratory etiquette, for example, by coughing into a flexed elbow. As per WHO, caused by the newly discovered coronavirus, most people infected will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. Older people and those with underlying medical problems like cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. So, what can be done for prevention? WHO recommends to prevent infection and to slow transmission of COVID 19 by doing the followings. First of all, wash your hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with alcohol based hand rub. Maintain at least 1 meter distance between you and people coughing or sneezing. Avoid touching your face. Cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Stay home if you feel unwell, or refrain from smoking and other activities that may weaken the lungs. Lastly, practice physical distancing by avoiding unnecessary travel or staying away from large groups of people. If you follow all the above precautions, it will help to prevent the spreading of COVID 19 and mitigate the risks that it brings.